So this comes packaged very nicely in a nice box. It has one of the better user manuals that I've seen come with most products, but it has a very nice user manual. It actually opens up, gives you all the information that you need about it. This particular unit is it takes 6 to 8 hours to charge it. Solar charging, I guess, apparently takes a couple of days, but I guess that's better than nothing. I'm really impressed with it. So you can see on the back you have a compass, carabiner. Here's the solar panel. That is a flashlight and strobe light, and then this piece, you kind of have to get under the lip of it to open it, but it has 2 USBs. So all of the needed ways to charge. There is a power button right here. Power button, you press that and hold it to turn it on to charge, and then press it again. Come on, flashlight.